In this video, I'm going to go over the acoustical ceiling plugin. It's going to work the same way basically as the drywall plugin does. In your templates, you'll have an acoustical ceiling tab and your digitizers here. On your home page where you're going to digitize your ceilings, you want to click on either the Armstrong or the USG products. If the plan calls for Armstrong, you want to left click on this button. When this window opens, you want to answer these questions. You can put the name of the room you're going to do the takeoff on. You can add a description. You can change the percentage of scrap if 5% doesn't work for you, and put it in the folder you want. The tile, you pick the Armstrong tile here. The part number is 770, and this is Cortega, and it says it's a 2x2 flat 15/16. So we have 2x2 in the tile size, and it shows us how many square feet's in that carton. If you choose a different tile and you choose 1729 and it's a 2x4 tile, you'll need to change this size to 2x4. And it changes the square foot per carton. Automatically it'll populate that. Put it in the folder that you want it to be in, and then choose your grid. You need to know the part number that you're going to use. If you use 7300, the rest of these properties will populate automatically, letting you know that this is the part number for the 4 foot, the 2 foot, and the wall angle. The wire tab, you can change the distance of your wire drop, how long you need the pieces of wire to be. The wire spacing can be changed to whatever you want to put it at. And you have the hanger wire, 12 gauge wire. And the labors here, just click on the labor. And pricing, if you want to change any of the pricing on the fly for just this one ceiling, this one job, you can do it right here on the fly. Just type over any one of these prices. Click OK and digitize the room. If you highlight the ceiling over here on the left, it populates over here on the right. You need 49 pieces of tile, 8 main tees, 4-foot tees, wall angle, and so on. If you want to change anything, you can change it in this window down here. If you want to change the tile or the grid, and basically that's it. Go over to another ceiling. If it's calling out for a USG, just click on the USG. Answer the questions here. Type in the name of the room. Over here, put a description, your percentage, put it in the folder that you want. You have your tile, pick the part number, and all this will populate automatically. Pick the grid, part number, and all this will populate automatically. You have your labor and your wire and your pricing. Click OK and digitize your room. Now you got to digitize each room individually so that it calculates the right amount of angle, wall angle, main tees. All of that's obvious, right? And there you go. Okay, you can go over to your estimating tab and you can expand the folder there, and you can look and see all the parts. Across the top here, you can see this is $1,977 for this room, $534 for this room. Okay, let's take a look at the database. Click on List. go over here, you got your ACT pricing database. You have your Armstrong parts and the grid and the tile. And you have the USG grid and tile. And this is where you'll change your prices. You just highlight this price, change it. There's a drop-down calendar here. You can put today's date, saying this is the last time that I changed this price. And that concludes this video.